Hey guys, you've been sent to this video. It's not going to take too much of your time, but it's just to make the booking process nice and quick and simple, not only for yourself but for myself too. So the reason why is because your style of headliner board that's in your car comes out with different specs and styles, and we need to know the style of headliner board so we can offer our fast exchange. So what does our fast exchange involve? So over here guys, we have a bunch of headliner boards on the shelf, and these are the ones that we do daily if not weekly, and luckily for you, your car falls into the category of the most common cars that we do, and that's why we offer the fast exchange model, where we can have one ready and take your old one out, put a new one in. You get to go on with your day, and it doesn't take too much out of your day to come and see us or for us to stop by and install that headliner board for you. So here are all the different styles of the Mitsubishi Sedan headliner boards that we have in stock. Over there is the Mitsubishi 380 sedan, and they only come out pretty much with one style unless you have a sunroof, so let us know if you do have a sunroof. But they come out with just that one style, and that's over there. They normally come out in a light grey material. The pillars on those can be like a dark grey charcoal colour in the back section and in the middle section, so if you wanted to go for a dark grey colour to suit that, just let us know. Otherwise it'll be just a light grey velour that kind of suits those cars. So that's that one over there, that's for the 380. And then these ones here for just the Magna sedans. And the only things that change on these ones is that light in the middle there can change location. So just let us know roughly what location it's in. It doesn't really matter because we can move the bracket behind to suit the board before we install it. So I'm basically from that point there, so where the sun visors kind of sit in that recess, from that point there, the first light would be about 24 centimeters away. That's where the cutout would be for the interior light. Another one would be about 29 centimeters away. And then there's one that's also about over 40 centimeters away, and it's at the back here. So just let us know roughly what one you've got there. Also, do you have that map light section? Because that's what the board looks like over there. You'll have like a dual map lights or just a light section at the front. So let us know if you've got that. And also just let us know if you have got a rear brake light that's sitting on the windshield. That'll be at the rear section there. And that will just kind of be molded to the windshield and half hanging over the headlining. Sometimes they do fall out of place or fall off, but just let us know if you did have one or you do currently have one. And that's about it guys. As for colour, they pretty much do come out just in this velour type of light grey material. So these two materials are the most common choices that most customers pick. On the left here you've got the dark grey charcoal velour, and on the right you've got the light grey velour. And with this Mitsubishi 380 here, most of the time if you want a factory standard replacement, you'd pick the light grey velour, and it just gives off that newer cleaner finish, because this one's probably faded a bit, lost its colour. But this will match the sun visors usually and the grab handles. If you wanted to match, and you've got the darker pillars at the rear and the center, sometimes customers do go with the dark grey charcoal just to give off that effect of matching to those. Or also you can go for a black as well. We do have blacks in stock, but yeah, so that's the two colors. With these ones over here, the Magna sedans, most of the time they do come out with that light grey material, and you'll get away with using the light grey material. Otherwise you can mix the color up as well. So here's the light grey material against that one, and that will match the plastics quite well, and pretty much the common choice that we usually do on these cars. So that's it guys. Alright guys, and one last thing, we'd like to take this opportunity now that if you like the content, just give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel, really helps us out and will be much appreciated. Also, thanks for watching guys, thanks for your time, and hopefully we see you in the future doing your car headliner repair. Cheers!